In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process of how to add follow button to your Facebook page. This is pretty simple, guys. First of all, open your Facebook application. Then tap on this profile icon. And from here you can see currently there is an add friend button on my profile. To switch it to follow button, we will go to setting page. To go to setting, I will click on this profile, then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Scroll down, and here you will see the option how people find and contact you. Tap on this, who can send you friend request. Change it to friends of friends from everyone. Then go back and tap on posts. Here you will see the option, who can see your future post. Change it from friends to public. Then go back and tap on followers and public content. Here you will see the first option, that who can follow me. Change it from friends to public and everything has been done. Now everyone can follow your profile. To confirm it, just go back to your profile and tap on these three dots and then tap on view as. And you can see the follow button on my profile right now. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.